Since ancient times, honey has been used as both a food and a medicine. It's very high in beneficial plant compounds and offers several health benefits. Honey is particularly healthy when used instead of refined sugar, which is 100% empty calories. In this video, I am going to show you 7 health benefits of honey. Number 1. Honey contains some nutrients. Honey is a sweet, thick liquid made by honeybees. Nutritionally, 1 tablespoon of honey or 21 grams contains 64 calories and 17 grams of sugar, including fructose, glucose, maltose and sucrose. It contains virtually no fiber, fat or protein. It also contains trace amount under 1% of RDI of several vitamins and minerals, but you would have to eat many pounds to fulfill your daily requirements. Number 2. High quality honey is rich in antioxidants. High quality honey contains many important antioxidants. These include organic acids and phenolic compounds like flavonoids. Scientists believe that the combination of these compounds gives honey its antioxidant power. Interestingly, 2 studies have shown that buckwheat honey increases that antioxidant value of your blood. Antioxidants have been linked to reduced risk of your heart attacks, strokes and some types of cancer. They may also promote eye health. Number 3. The antioxidants in it can help lower blood pressure. Blood pressure is an important risk factor for heart disease, and honey may help lower it. This is because it contains antioxidant compounds that have been linked to lower blood pressure. Studies in both rats and humans have shown modest reductions in blood pressure from consuming honey. Number 4. Honey also helps improve cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol levels is a strong risk factor for heart disease. These types of cholesterol plays a major role in atherosclerosis, the fatty buildup in your arteries that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Interestingly, several studies show that honey may improve your cholesterol levels. It reduces total and bad LDL cholesterol while significantly raising good HDL cholesterol. For example, one study in 55 patients compared honey to table sugar and found that honey caused a 5.8 reduction in LDL and a 3.3 increase in HDL cholesterol. It also led to modest weight loss of 1.3%. Number 5. Honey can lower triglycerides. Elevated blood triglycerides are another risk factor for heart disease. They are also associated with insulin resistance, a major driver of type 2 diabetes. Triglyceride levels tend to increase on a diet high in sugar and refined carbs. Interestingly, multiple studies have linked regular honey consumption with lower triglyceride levels, especially when it is used to replace sugar. For example, one study comparing honey and sugar found 11 to 19 lower triglyceride levels in the honey group. Number 6. Honey can help suppress coughs in children. Coughing is a common problem for children with upper respiratory infections. These infections can affect sleep and quality of life for both children and parents. However, mainstream medications for cough are not always effective and can have side effects. Interestingly, honey may be a better choice, and evidence indicates it's very effective. One study found that honey worked better than 2 common cough medications. Another study found that it reduced cough symptoms and improved sleep more than cough medication. Nevertheless, honey should be never given to children under 1 year age due to the risk for botulism. Number 7. Honey promotes burn and wound healing. Topical honey treatment has been used to heal wounds and burns since ancient Egypt and is still common today. A review of 26 studies on honey and wound care found honey most effective at healing partial thickness burns and wounds that have become infected after surgery. Honey is also an effective treatment for diabetic foot ulcers, which are serious complications that can lead to amputation. One study reported a 43.3% success rate with honey as a wound treatment. In another study, topical honey healed a whopping 97% of patients' diabetic ulcers. Researchers believe that honey healing powers come from its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects as well as its ability to nourish surrounding tissue. What's more, it can help treat other skin conditions, including psoriasis and herpes lesions. Manuka honey is considered especially effective for treating burns wounds. Hope you understand completely. If you have any question, please comment. Subscribe this channel for next videos. Thanks for watching.